Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection, but you cannot browse Google Play Store or Google Chrome on your Doogee S98. So as you can see, I just opened the browser and there's an error. And the same is with Google Play Store. If I try to download any app, it will be in a pending state forever. So to fix that, let's move back to let's cancel this, close everything, move to the settings, scroll all the way down and find System. Here go for date and time and make sure that the set time automatically is used by a network provided time. Now if we open Google Chrome and try opening the web, it works properly. The same as with Google Play Store. If we try to download this game again, it should download without any problem. As you can see, we started downloading this game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.